Good morning.
Skip the life and I go. Turn cartwheels across the floor. I was feeling kinda seasick. The crowd called out for more. And the room was humming harder as the ceiling. And we called out for another drink, but the waiter brought a tray. And so it was that later that the miller told his tale. And a face that first just ghostly turned a whiter shade of pale. She said there is no reason, but the truth is plain to see. As I wandered through her playing cards, I would not let it be one of 16 Vestal virgins that were leaving for the coast. And although my eyes were open, they might just as well have been closed. And so it was that later the Minotaur's tale. And a face that first just looks turn a whiter shade of pale. And so it was that later, as the miller told his tale, that her face at first just ghostly turned a white shade of pale.